is October 28th, 2017. Looking at the trades that I took yesterday. So the market just kept pushing up, pushing down as it had been over the last couple days, last 2 days, I believe. So yesterday the market pushed down to these levels, and this was just these were just levels I noticed that the market was kind of making and reacting off of a little bit. So I think, yeah, when I saw uh, this trade, a big part of you wanted to jump in after it bounced off of these, resistance here, and I saw it come all the way up to here. Then I saw some of the kind of the reverse coming through. Big part of me wanted to take it, but I never did. If I had taken it, I would have probably claimed profit right here. But anyway, I noticed the market kept pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. So overall, I was bearish on the day, just simply because that's what the trend had been, and there was nothing in particular for me to make it, for me to think the market was not. So in general, I was looking for a short trade. So what I anticipated here was that either the market would bounce back up, right, to test, these levels, these levels, these levels, and I was prepared maybe to take a long position here, though I was very skeptical of that, so I probably would not have done that in most situations. But I also realized that there's a chance that it would break this level, and if it did break here, it broke out to the downside, there was a trade to be taken there too. So I was kind of waiting for either one of those things to happen. So eventually the market kind of pushed out of this zone up here, but it hit some resistance here, and the way the market was set up, I viewed it as, okay, well, now that it's hit that resistance, it is just gonna come right back and retest these lows. So I took a short position. It's kind of hard to see on this chart the way it is right now. Okay, that's a little bit better because this is how it looked when I traded it. Okay, so I took a short position. Yeah, on this bar because I anticipated, okay, look at the ticks. It's coming off of here. It's just gonna hope, keep push down, push down, push down, and I intended to take profits at around here. But nope, the market decided that this level was relevant for it, and it bounced back up, and I got stopped out. So truthfully, I think the trade was an okay one. What I want to say I could maybe get out of this is if I had spotted this resistance. I'm still not sure if I could have taken a trade beforehand and just said whatever, right, and just kind of entered here, and anticipated the market pushing down, but that's a little bit risky, especially since you're not seeing the candlestick form. I could also have said maybe, okay, after this candlestick form, I'm taking the trade right here and taking my profits here, but I think that was only about 4 ticks. But anyway, yeah, it just didn't work out for me. So the market completely rallied, and we could see that instead of this being a major resistance point, which it was, it still turned out to be resistance as the market pushed back up, bounced off of those levels, right? And this is a trade. I actually saw this happen, but I didn't take it. Like just entering short again, but instead of having my take profit levels here, I would have had my take profit levels here because that's what we saw here. So this is a trade I did semi-missed, could have taken it, kind of said, okay, whatever, and didn't. But what's important is now the market kind of set a new, at least short-term trend for itself. And what I anticipate is these two are pretty major levels, so anticipate we'll see some type of reversal once the market hits this tomorrow afternoon. Okay.